God, Ian.
Who's that?
Ian.
You're doing a little bit of robot.
Oh,
little bit. Now you're good. Oh, there you go. Now you
Oh,
said
Buck's joining eventually.
Hang on. Let me
that's
fix
good.
another.
They can get in the server when they get into the server. Alright.
Mine says workshop completed, but it's still just
it.
sitting
Oh my
there.
goodness! Everybody's streaming. Reminder of all the people
Hey, Game Buster,
who are
don't-
streaming.
Don't do it, buddy. Don't
Don't
do
do
it.
what?
There's so many witnesses. Look at the witnesses. You don't want to kill me.
Let's see.
With my single
Josh
shot
is
gun,
streaming,
Yeah.
not gonna do
Buster's
much
streaming,
to ya.
Doc is streaming, and I'm streaming.
Oh, my game crashed. That's what
I don't even
happened.
know, how do I get back up top?
Hey.
Are we just down
Over
now?
here.
There's a
There's
where
a-
are
there's
you,
a ladder.
Guardax? There's
This
a ladder.
world is.
I don't
There's
know,
a
because
thing
everything
in
looks
here.
the same. There's no, like, point
No,
of
here it
reference.
is.
Oh, okay,
You
now I
go
see it.
back.
I'm just Game
No,
Buster. I see
saying.
it.
Oh,
I mean,
Hey, Lab Tech. Are you my other trainer? I can't tell.
yeah.
Are you guys ready to play without me?
You don't have a red
Yeah.
thing above your head, which I think means that you're
We're
not
on.
a traitor. So I'm gonna trust you.
Oh, I just heard someone die.
Yeah, that was me, because he was being
Oh, shut
suspicious as hell.
Oh no. I thought you were the one that
He
died.
was.
How do you go down?
Lab Tech, that's how PG plays this game, dude. You need to...
Well,
that is how he plays the game.
Now the detective's dead, and I don't think
PG
either
will
of
like
us did that,
literally
Lab Tech. I
like
think
say,
somebody else did
I'm
that.
the detective, or I'm the traitor, and he'll.
Oh, who's
Not
this? I think it might have been Killer Banana.
yeah,
Hey,
you.
it's not-
Alright, take him out.
Okay, well, I'm not like you. If you want to go kill him with
Okay,
just a
what
hunch, we
is
can do
this
that.
map?
I forget. How do you?
It is no, control. If you bound it.
Oh,
Our viewers.
never mind. Yeah, it's still bound to the norm.
Where do all these people come from?
Yeah.
Man, we have so many people tonight.
We do.
I wish I could play.
Okay,
Alex,
I'm
loading
suspicious of KB's. The only other person I saw up there.
Oh, it's KB. It's KB. It's
Okay,
KB.
it's definitely
No,
KB.
shot.
Kill KB.
It's Sky. It's Sky. Sky just shot me.
It's Guardax and Lab Tech then.
Sky
Wait,
just
no!
shot me.
It's
Soccer.
KB and Sky. It's KB and
Already.
Sky.
It's
Either,
Guardax and Lab Tech.
either soccer or
KB
I
and
are.
Sky.
They're just both idiots.
Huh?
No, Lab Tech was just proven innocent. You doof.
Yeah.
What did put? This is bad.
Oh, Terrace one.
Why the fuck did nobody listen to
I
me?
shot Lab Tech with the golden gun, just so you all know.
I killed one
That's
person,
what killed me.
Ah,
Oh, no.
I see.
and his name was
Traitors
Banana
were
Man.
there.
It was
Two.
me.
Okay.
PG,
It was-
you have to know that. Sorry, Lab Tech, you need to know PG acts like that. Doc, you should know that Lab Tech's an idiot and will kill PG for doing stuff like that. I mean, come on.
Lab
Aren't
Tech
I
and
totally
Guardax
different
really wanted
tonight?
to
That was
die.
the classic.
I didn't play
PG.
last time when Lab Tech
Classic
was here.
PG.
Lab Tech has no idea what he's. When he killed PG, I wasn't even worried about Lab Tech anymore. I knew he was innocent.
Then maybe I
that
should
makes-
keep doing that.
And that makes me guilty.
My game keeps crashing, guys.
Your game keeps crashing.
Yeah, you should fix it.
Missing textures, anime
Is it like
girl.
updated?
What?
Hey, Snurch, you want to be my friend this game?
Yeah.
Are there 3
Let's be
traders? Maybe now with some people.
Well, I'm not in yet.
Well,
There
I
might be-
know.
Just
Because
gonna
I'm
be my
one
friend.
detective. All right, I'm standing in the middle of everyone. So if
There
anybody
are
kills
3
me,
traitors.
I see it.
I just saw
There
someone
are 3
fall.
traitors.
Someone fell and died.
Are you
Oh,
sure?
I had pushed
Nico,
up.
wait. Can you see it?
All right, this sounds like a.
I don't know who it
The
is.
body's down there.
Yeah.
Body's down
Can you
there.
see
There's someone up top.
Somebody
What is that doing, Guardax?
That is my protective robot. If anyone shoots me, it will shoot at them. So, you've been warned.
Oh, Ian's trying to. Are
Is he
you?
though?
You're swinging around a crowbar.
Well, that just seems like, you know.
Ian things.
Yeah.
That's just the end thing.
All right, random test.
So I get to workshop completed and then just stays there.
Be patient.
Be
All right,
patient.
I feel like it's safe. I'm safe up here with all these witnesses. Oh, somebody. Oh, Josh is just okay.
Josh is being.
Yeah.
Or maybe he's just trying to put us off. Like,
Damn.
That's
maybe-
That's a secondary.
stop! You're being all suspicious, and it's freaking me out.
Oh, Bucksnort traitor.
It's Bucksnort. Oh, wow.
It always-
Kill him.
Did you
Where
see
is he?
that? I said I
Kill
bet
him?
it's
Did you get him?
Bucksnort.
Oh
got
no,
him.
the
Nice.
traitor. Uh-oh. That's bad.
Okay, well,
Got him.
listen.
Gardax, did you do a random
I did
test?
do a random test.
Okay, I was making sure you did.
So if it was going to reveal a traitor, they can have time to probably buy a thing from the traitor
Yeah.
menu to. pass off the blame.
Which is weird because I said, like, I bet it's Bucksnort, and then it popped up Bucksnort. Now I feel bad. I'm sorry.
I remember like Bucksnort joined us for the first time. He was literally the traitor like 3 times in a row. It was pretty funny.
He's right. Yeah, that was pretty great.
Why do you have a shovel and ironing at me? Hi,
I like
PG.
shovels. I'm a traitor, just so you know.
Do you
Oh,
have
somebody's hit me! Somebody!
Dang it.
PG
Probably
is
like,
Well, Josh,
Sorry, no.
Josh hit me, and he got what was coming to him, I guess.
Ow.
Oh, it's Killer Banana.
who's this?
Where is he? Is he up?
He's back.
Snurchy.
No, I'm gonna die.
Lab Tech, did you jump off the edge? Yay! Innocence.
What was that round?
PG was a traitor, right?
It was
Yeah, he was.
Yeah, I
I
knew
never
you were.
denied
Who
it.
was the person that was alive?
soon
Doc!
as
that
I
round?
Doc
was-
did it!
I
fell off on accident.
I didn't know you
Where's
could get up
Doc?
there, Doc! He was up in the
How-
crane! I didn't know you could get up there.
He's up in the
There's a
crane,
ladder.
dang it! I didn't see anybody else. So I
No.
was like, oh,
Doc, did you
Doc
push
was just hanging out in the crane!
No, I
and
fell
then
off
your
because
stupid little robot
I
got
was
me.
being dumb,
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah,
But
when
This
PG,
is a fun
Yoshi, and I were looking at the Game Buster's body, I saw. Oh,
Can I not push people? How do you
I
push?
saw.
You not push people with a crowbar?
Yes.
Right click with a crowbar. Oh, I hit the wrong button on the crowbar. I'm sorry, Snurch.
It's alright.
Are you sorry though?
I like this guy.
Did you see
yeah.
me fall though? It was amazing.
It was pretty great.
It's like Plinko.
I'm
It's
sorry
literally-
for declaring you my friend and then killing
So
you.
I have
meant
a
to
whole
do it by
bunch of
pushing you. It's gonna be a lot
for
funnier.
this map.
I knew the intention, it was fine.
You got the boat.
Whoa! PG, did you
sorry.
hear that shooting?
Okay, who's going up in the crane
Yeah,
there?
it was you.
me?
Okay, that's Ian.
Hey, Lab.
Anyone else up
I'm
in the
innocent.
crane is
Soccer, I'm your buddy now.
gonna get
You're my buddy.
Hey, stop pushing.
I'm your buddy.
Oh,
It says you're
somebody's
rude, though.
Someone died.
Someone's-
PG's
Okay.
pushing. Stop pushing me around.
Okay.
Wow. There are
Oh,
barrels
everyone,
everywhere.
Oh no, my
None of that.
People
calm.
that barrels.
Stay calm.
Doc, hi. Doc, hi.
Stay
Oh,
calm.
God, no.
Oh God!
PG dead.
I want to get rid.
Somebody's body just came flying. I didn't know who it
that might have been mine.
was. Shut up. Yep, it was.
I was 13, Guardax.
PG dead to the.
Okay,
Who's this
everybody
already?
move away from the barrels out here so I can shoot them. Everybody just move away. Searchy. Okay, that's fine. That's good too.
Man, careful.
I don't want anything to do with
Who
that.
is that?
I'm trying
Oh,
to
it's
find out.
Bucksnort. Okay.
Well, we all remember the
Stop.
Bing Bong clip.
Bucksnort's not moving.
No, technically if he's not in voice chat, he has to be put in spectator. Unless this is just
Hello.
a joint.
Oh, it's Beckerson.
I'm
Is
not.
it better?
No?
What evidence? You just keep. You love to keep.
I was standing on the
About
edge and he
to
tried to
murder
push me
someone,
off.
So I just pushed him away slightly.
Oh no! More barrels! More barrels!
More barrels.
More barrels.
More barrels!
I fell.
Fuck.
Oh, there's people down here. I don't know what's going
There's
on
a
up
lot of
there.
barrels up there, folks.
Who's this? Josh. Hi, Josh.
Did the detective do the random at? Is that why this happened?
Yep.
Wait,
It's KB.
Did you
KB
what did you
the guy
do
that fell.
It's not KB.
Josh, what did you do to soccer?
No,
They're all right there.
KB like fake his death?
Well, his corpse is
Oh,
down.
Hi.
Well, then he's dead. Oh, that is
I guess no. Oh, right. Okay.
I wonder who.
Ah, damn it. Ah. Why did you guys die?
Wow, Guardax.
So
Wow.
That was so late.
Wow.
I think we determined that I died like
so
this
dead.
has happened before.
How-
My
where-
I've
teammates
been-
killed
on my
themselves.
video-
I've
It's
been
not as
traitor
bad.
2
Wait,
times
Soccer,
in a
how did
row,
I kill
and
you?
I died immediately.
The barrel exploded me.
Oh.
I didn't realize
It
how
said,
bad I was.
it said I did that to you from the
It
barrel.
was Game Buster,
I-
Bucksnort, and I.
I proved my innocence because I was throwing off the explosive barrel.
Yeah. Both
I
my
was drawn to
teammates.
those explosive barrels like a moth to a flame.
It scared the crap out of me because I was like, oh crap.
I had
and then
to
I
very
was like,
much resist the urge to just
I
light up
killed
the barrels.
people with the barrels.
Seriously,
It was very good. Your barrels were very.
Well, you can
Okay,
say your shadows.
I'm
the-
going up in the crane before we're even choosing our roles, so nothing.
Guardax is
Cool.
My gun. Guardax, you and me, we're gonna be friends no matter what.
Wait,
All right.
Josh, spell trader backwards.
someone died.
I'm pretty sure it's
EVITCETED.
Evicted?
I was those
Oh, no.
rolls
Oh, no.
on the server.
All right.
Double gang.
Oh no.
Double gang.
Okay, you stay in this part.
Somebody
of the crane.
down.
I'll go over to this part.
I'm down here with the most two deadly people in this game. I'm very scared.
Are these like?
Quick, KP, spell
Why,
trader
soccer?
backwards.
Yeah,
What?
that's better.
I'm very
Spell trader
scared.
backwards.
Oh,
I'm gonna just stand up.
N-I.
I don't know how to use this gun.
See
Josh
Josh.
was standing very still a second ago.
Hi, Doc.
None of these traders have
Please
spelled
don't kill
trader backwards successfully.
Sky is up here with us, Guardax.
Is he?
Yeah, Doc's up here. And Guardax is there. I'm up here with Doc and Guardax. If I go silent, it's one of them.
I'm gonna explode those barrels.
Would you just have their PG?
Oh,
Just that down there.
that works.
Our mutant launcher.
Nice.
Oh.
Enjoy that.
I will.
Those aren't explode.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay.
Done this.
Who did this? Soccer? Why'd you do this, Soccer?
What is
Smoke
that?
grenade.
I don't know what it does.
Ah.
Oh, it's Scott!
Whoa.
It's KB!
See how he just like.
Look how late
like
that
even
was.
when he's not saying
It's
Sky,
KB.
he still says Sky.
It's
Wait,
KB.
soccer. Spell trader backwards. Ow.
Just shoot
Ow.
Pete! Shoot the KB man! He's.
All right. I will.
What does this do?
I have no idea.
Thank you.
That's what freeze.
Okay.
Oh, it's PG! PG shot me! It's PG!
We know it's PG. This is known.
He told us he had a melon launcher. We saw him with it.
The innocence freeze. What?
Well, I still haven't frozen yet.
There's just so much going on.
Which really isn't a good sign for me and you guys not killing me, is it?
I didn't freeze.
Yeah, okay,
Oh.
now
frozen.
we're here.
I can't see where people are moving though.
I really should have looked down.
Oh wait, here we go. Oh wait, no, I can move now.
Oh no, I can't
Well, I
look
assume
down.
if it was one of us, we would have killed each other.
No, don't point your gun at anybody.
Oh, okay.
I'm still frozen.
I'm just gonna look at this wall.
You just randomly fire your gun now. So don't
Here, I'll do
don't look at
crowbar.
each other, guys.
Just switch a crowbar so you don't accidentally like shoot someone.
I'm frozen.
I don't know what
What's
bird boy
that?
is.
Help, I'm frozen. I
Well,
can't.
we already did this game.
It's just cycling through again.
Here.
Oh.
See if it's one of you two. Oh, that was.
Well, I don't see anyone. Do you think anyone else is alive, guys? I don't think so.
Launchers have been blinded.
Walk, Sky.
Wow.
Okay,
Sorry.
hi, I'm walking towards you.
If one of us was a traitor, we definitely would have
Walking
killed
towards
each
the
other.
edge.
I trust us three.
I'm frozen. Okay, I trust Doc.
I'm frozen
definitely
right now.
Not Doc.
Okay, now I'm not frozen.
I should keep
I fired my gun from. Oh no.
Crabs are people?
crabs for people.
Okay, I see someone down there. It's Beckerson. He can't be a good man.
I've killed PG and KB.
Okay, Guardax and Doc and I are.
Okay, I guess that's true. Somebody had to kill them, so.
So whoever's down there is the traitor.
But you could have killed.
Like
but
that.
you may not have been the person that actually killed them.
Back,
and
if
you
you're
killed
not the traitor,
did.
I'm
kill
frozen.
whoever's
I can't
down
move.
there.
Yeah, he is not moving. It's true.
There we go. Jeez.
Okay, yeah, I trust
All right.
everyone up here and Beck are good. Whoever's left down
Yeah.
there is the traitor.
Beck does seem.
Wow. Wow. Why are you shooting?
Okay, that was an accident, Beck. I didn't know I could shoot you.
That's great.
First of all,
Just
it was a
anyway.
Newton launcher, not a melon launcher.
Okay.
So,
I
okay, I
died-
was being shot by KB the entire time, so I wasn't focused on anything you guys were doing. So, to say that I should have known that PG was it is just ridiculous.
It is no.
Yeah.
No.
Doc
I was
literally
being shot
said.
at. I was scared for my life because of a KB.
Doc was literally like, "Nice Newton launcher." PG was like, "Thanks, I bought it."
I don't
I
know
fell
what a
to my
Newton
death
launcher
after
even
3
is,
seconds.
so I'm never gonna be a traitor to
Well, you
find
seem
out
to
what
do
these
that a
things
lot,
are.
Tech.
It launch. You can
What do
buy
you
one
want?
as a what's it called? Blue guy, blue man, detective.
Blue man group.
Looking for a secondary.
Gamebuster and I just looked at each other and took each other out.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
it was mutual death.
That's very special.
Oh,
Oh wow.
Well,
Well, it's a good thing the round
There are a
had
few people dead.
Soccer, are you okay?
I did not fall. I don't know what you're talking about.
Did you wait?
It kind of
were
sounds like you fell.
I only did
I
that
didn't
because
fall.
after the
I
game
don't know
had
who did.
started, I want that
I
out
fell.
there
That
now.
was me. Hey, Soccer.
Yeah?
want
Soccer's a little.
Do I want to be a traitor with you?
Yeah.
I mean, as long as you don't shoot me.
Okay.
Can I be your deputy, Josh?
Okay.
He just said he was a traitor.
Lab Tech's trigger happy.
Yeah,
I don't
but
want him
he's
to
not a
traitor.
traitor.
Of course
Lab
you want
Tech's
trigger
always
happy.
trigger happy.
That's
Lab Tech's
You-
not a
you-
traitor.
You were really close to that guy when he fell down, Soccer. I don't know what happened there.
I'll
The
go
game didn't
check
even
the
start.
stairs.
Or the game wasn't even started by
Hey,
the time
back
you
to
fell.
get back. Get away from the detective.
Sorry.
Right here, this is
Thank
for
you.
traders only.
No, I didn't
This is
install
the Trader
Counter
Club.
Strike
I have
Source.
such a.
See, I protected you, Josh.
AB wants to be a traitor.
Searchy and I are having the fun.
I'm not liking what's going on. Like, if PG and Soccer are both traders, then I'm just fucked.
Well, yeah, but you have
Traitor
KB to
day.
back you up.
I wish I was a traitor.
No, KB's another
You
traitor
make me
too.
nervous,
It's
Doc.
me, Soccer, and KB.
I'm afraid you're just gonna like.
PG,
Listen,
you
are
should
you
shoot Lab
just
Tech
gonna
then.
kill me, Sir
Yeah.
G?
No.
Get it over
Prove your
with?
traitorness.
Hey,
Uh,
who's
He's moving
shooting?
too fast. He's too fast. I can't hear him.
Who's shooting?
Oh God.
What does that mean?
PG shooting.
Really strong now.
Ow!
Jesus.
very, very the strongest of
I'll
gravity.
search you. Why are you shot?
Wait, where's Soccer? Where's Soccer?
I think Sky just starts with death.
I
Who
have
is
no idea
shooting?
where any of this is coming
PG,
from.
what is going on? I can't tell.
I don't know either. Where's my trader buddy?
Is there? I just saw.
Alright,
PG, move. Stay at your distance.
Whoa, PG, whoa,
Excuse
hey,
me.
hey,
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 hey! That
Was it
PG?
PG?
Texted Josh.
What?
There's a whole lot of bad up there.
whoa, why are
I
you
don't
shooting
know
me?
what's going on.
Lab Tech
Because you were
shooting me?
shooting at me too.
No, I wasn't.
Let me check this guy. He's gonna be
Yeah,
a traitor.
yeah. Let's just get rid of Lab Tech. Let's handle that.
I don't know what's happening.
Check him. Check Lab.
Tech was innocent.
Okay,
Soccer or PG was innocent.
Doc,
Yeah.
Okay.
I trust you.
Well,
Okay, I'm just watching.
interesting.
I don't trust Guardax.
What? I haven't done anything.
I
The whole
just-
game.
I do not trust Guardax.
All right. Well, I'm getting away from the top then. What's happening? I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. There's a barnacle on the roof on the stairs and it's eating me, and I'm going to die. I'm going to die.
The Guardax get eaten
I
by
saved
a
him.
barnacle.
Thank you,
I help.
I bet it's.
Detective. Can I get a heal, please? Detective.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you,
KB
it's
was looking at
Guardax's
us with
barnacle.
a sniper.
Why would I get eaten by? I almost died. I didn't even know what was happening to me. You think I'm so big brain genius? I was getting eaten by my own barnacle.
No, I
can't
think you
buy any
accidentally
heals.
got eaten by
Sorry.
your own barnacle.
Yo, Doc, look at the gun up there.
Wow, is that how little you think of me, Doc? You think so little of me?
What?
Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, okay. Fine. Good.
PG, you just keep goading me into killing you. Eventually, it's gonna
Lab
work.
Tech, you're dead. Shut the hell up. Hi, Doc.
Hi.
Look at me. Why? If you think I'm a traitor, just shoot me. I only have 25 HP.
Come closer.
I ain't scared.
Why are you running away then?
I came
Is
closer
it
already.
KD?
Listen, you can shoot me. You got line of sight to
I
all of
want you to
this shit.
stand. I want you to stand down here where I can watch you.
I'm gonna stay up. I'll stay up here, where I can be seen, where I can be observed.
Oh no, Soccer.
Honestly. Well, who's silly now?
Why?
We don't know. No one knows.
Why did he die?
Nobody knows. I bet it's Doc. I bet it's Doc. Doc, listen. Doc has been talking shit this whole game. You know it's true. He's just high. Yeah, listen. Come on, Josh. Let's go.
Okay. What the fuck?
Thank you.
Oh,
Finally.
game
I don't know why you guys didn't kill Guardax.
Why you shoot me?
That was the best goob.
You're the last one alive, I think? Oh, wait, no, go.
I did not get eaten by my own barnacle. Ian put that barnacle there.
Yeah.
And I didn't know
I
it.
knew you were gonna do that when you said come closer. I'm like, yeah, he's gonna.
Soccer, you were
Still
sucky.
satisfying.
What?
It was me, but I did not get eaten by
You
my
were
own
playing
barnacle.
so innocent. You were the traitor, and I was right.
I like
No,
that.
you weren't right. PG was out here calling us a
See,
a
this
traitor.
is
It
always,
wasn't my
this is always
fucking
how
fault.
soccer operates. Even when you correctly say he's a traitor, he's still like,
No, that
"But
was
you were
incorrect.
really
I
wrong."
didn't shoot at him. I shot at PG because he was shooting
Gangbusters
at
a bow and
Lab
arrow.
Tech.
You must be the traitor.
Alright, where are you, Soccer? I'm gonna kill you as soon as this round starts.
No, none of that.
Alright.
For what
I'm gonna stick
reason?
together with my traitor buddy Soccer. I'm gonna kill Lab Tech.
I didn't even respawn. There we go.
Quick,
Gambuster.
Lab Tech.
I
Full
hate
traitor backwards.
ladders.
What?
Okay,
What?
soccer. No, not soccer.
Oh, okay.
These ladders are screwy.
Hey, Doc,
Yeah.
Doc,
You're
Doc,
kind of
Doc,
special.
Doc, I'm the
Ladders
detective.
in this game.
You're gonna be my deputy.
Alright.
There's a
I
button.
will kill whoever you request me.
Whoa! That girder almost killed me. Thank you very much.
Oh, sorry. I just saw a
Okay.
button.
Oh, great.
I
Sky's
heard a
the
button.
detective.
Oh,
Go,
this
I
button.
hardly know her.
We're going
I
to
think. I think. Okay,
Just
that's
something
it.
fun.
Hey guys, is this where the crane party
There's
is?
too many people up here.
KB is
Okay,
crude.
I'm gonna shoot over there.
Hi.
Okay, I wanted to
Want
test.
that?
KB
How
is a
did
crude man.
is that
He
cute?
is a crude.
Hey,
Oh no!
it's PG.
It's
Wait,
Gamebuster and
can you hit someone with a crowbar to knock them off?
Yeah.
Then it was PG.
PG
No,
did specifically
PG does
ask about
that.
this earlier.
Oh,
She
I
was
can't-
just
I
looking
can't-
at me
I
with
don't
a
think
hand.
I can't
PG
check his
like
body.
RDMs.
okay. It's Josh and Labtech.
Soccer. Hold on.
No.
What?
Someone search PG's body. It's all
Soccer,
over.
soccer,
I
soccer.
just watched.
It's Soccer?
But
Listen,
You
I-
did just shoot PG without.
Yeah, because PG tried to knock someone off the side with their crowbar.
There is some
Yeah,
happening.
I'm
and
just
I
staying
don't
down,
know.
down
I'm-
here.
Sucker's up
I
there.
think down here is good,
Sucker's coming
KB.
down, I think.
What do you say?
It's well,
I think many men are dead.
what does that mean? Buster? What does it mean when you do that? It's KB. I trust it's KB.
I don't know. I'm looking at Guardax's body and KB is not anywhere near him.
You know the train thing?
The only one I trust is Beck.
Hi, but
How is Guardax? How was Guardax killed?
Let's see here. He was shot by a G36C.
I have no idea what that is. That's
Whoa!
Ah, the old G.
That's down there somewhere.
Okay. Who just died? Beck just died next to me.
Beck was a good guy.
Shot. Okay.
Is-
I don't see anyone down.
Is KB still alive?
I don't know where he's at.
Can we have a roll call?
I'm alive.
Well, I mean, Guardax was all about, it's
I'm alive.
KB.
Are you guys all up there?
At least someone is dead because there's a dead body down there. But we
Well,
don't
no,
see.
PG is
I'm
dead.
alive.
Okay.
Oh,
Guy's dead.
Well, there's another
Wait,
bit.
There
there's
aren't
another
many
one.
people left then.
Doc's dead.
Who's left?
Whoa. Well, there's only.
Hang on. Wasn't
Okay.
somebody?
There's 3 unidentified corpses that have just fallen by my head, and I do not like it. Thank you.
Can you not like it?
Mm-mm-mm.
Can you check them?
So they're on the ground.
The one for PG is gonna be me, and that was justified.
Hi, the lab tech. Are you innocent? Because I am.
Is it ever justified?
I'm innocent. Are you innocent though?
Yes, I am.
Thing is, if we're both innocent, we should probably go downstairs and kill a traitor.
I agree. And before I wait,
I don't like the sound of what you're proclaiming.
I'm just standing on top of you. Oh,
yeah, I think. Yeah.
These
I,
are really terrible ladders.
What's up?
I know. He's coming.
Soccer shooting me. Soccer. It's Soccer.
Okay, it's like a bad man. Bad man soccer.
LabTech was shooting at me.
Uh-huh. Do you just stay in your hole?
Okay. All right. I don't know why we shoot at. He shot first. I'm just gonna let you know that LabTech shot first. He's
This
blaming
ain't a
me for
hand solo
nothing.
situation.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey, who shot first?
I'm dead.
Really? This is amazing. He's speaking from beyond the grave. Speak to us. Don't you do it.
Goddamn.
Mm-mm-mm. Furiously typing. This is I want to speak to your manager keyboard. There's a lot of people that are Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. I see you moving up there. Shadowy figure of shadowiness.
Up there.
Green? Why green? Up there.
It's because I'm the detective.
I don't quite believe you.
I've got a green lightsaber and everything.
Green. Ah! I see you. Mr. Flashy.
Yeah! Let's go!
Did none of you hear me say it's soccer right before I died?
I have no idea whether to
Everybody that heard you died right away.
Can I just say, I saw a Game Buster with a bow, and I wasn't sure if it was a traitor or not, so I assumed it was, and so I killed him. And
Wait,
so I
PG.
just stood there. So that
Wait,
made
PG. You pushed someone off, PG, but you weren't a traitor?
No, I thought he was a traitor because he had a bow.
Okay, I know it was KB
Bo
and
is
soccer,
not a
but who was
traitor
the
weapon.
third traitor?
This guy, he just said that.
It was me.
He literally just got done
Oh, was
explaining
it Game Buster?
Yeah.
It was Game Buster. I did so good, guys, and I was killed for it.
I'm really upset that no one heard me say it's soccer when I said
Well,
it's
everybody that did died right away because everybody that was there just like
It's not positional audio.
Listen.
Yeah, Searchy was like,
I think everyone heard you. You were all on the ground that died. All the people on the tower didn't care.
Ian also heard
because
you.
we were in the
Text like,
tower.
oh, I think it's soccer.